Before the black robes and gavels of colonial courts found their place in society, the Igbo people of Nigeria had already established a profound and complex system of law. The traditional justice system known as alụsị, rooted deeply in Igbo spirituality and ancestral authority. This was not merely a set of man-made rules, but a divine order that governed truth, morality, and communal harmony. This story is not just about law. It is about truth, about community, about the sacred balance between the seen and the unseen. Join us as we uncover what this system truly is. Its origins, its structure, its sacred rituals, and the spiritual logic that binds it all together. Discover how the Igbo justice system was designed not merely to punish, but to heal, to restore harmony, and to uphold the moral fabric of the people. Don't just watch, like, share your thoughts, and subscribe. Spread this truth. Let others feel it too.